Hello friends, today I am having a chat with you about our fabulous multi-store wardrobe that we got from Bunnings. I love it, it is fantastic. All of this is mine, mine, and all of this, just those two, and down there is Ryan. That was Bonnie earlier at my feet when I was doing my little intro. I nearly tripped over you, didn't I? Anyways, so I'm going to have a chat with you about the process in which you go through to get your multi-store wardrobes. It is really easy. You can get them off the shelf at Bunnings, but you can also do special orders as well. Now I want to mention, I'm actually in the May issue of Bunnings, which I'm so excited about. So if you want to go check it out, take a look, but I'll leave a link down in the caption below as well. So if you want to see it, you can read it. Now the colour we chose for our wardrobe was Storm, and this is a special order from Bunnings. So if you wanted to get this colour, you go to the special orders desk at Bunnings, you put in your order for the product, the multi-store products that you want, and then they'll let you know how soon they can arrive. Now if you don't want to go with white or Storm, which is this colour, you can actually go for a light woody colour. This is called Beach. So there you go, there's a third option. First things first, let's have a little chat about what these products are. So these are actually flat pack units that you can put together yourself. But if you don't feel like putting them together yourself, you can actually have people that Bunnings can organize for you, that come into your home, that put everything together, that take all the boxes away and everything like that. You literally don't have to do anything. So if you'd prefer to do it that way, go for it. But otherwise, these are easy to put together. They are flat packs. So if you feel confident enough to do it, go for it. If you don't, just hire one of those assembly people and they can help you out. So in this wardrobe, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 little compartments. These are all individual units and they've been placed next to each other and then screwed together, so it just looks like one long unit. First things first, when you are trying to figure out what products to go with in your wardrobe, is to measure your room. You will have to do that, and then going by those dimensions, you'll then be able to figure out which products are going to fit best in your wardrobe. So here I think it's about 3.7 this way and it's 1.8 that way, so I could fit 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 compartments this way and 3 this way. So all you need to do is jump on the Bunnings website or onto the Multistore website, have a look at the product dimensions because all of them are listed, and then you're going to have to do some handy maths work and just figure out which compartments are going to work best in your space, and also which ones are going to suit your needs. Like, do you want more drawers or do you want more hanging space? It all depends on what you're looking for, but there's heaps to choose from, so just find what works best. The height of these wardrobes is 2 meters high, and most homes have a 2.4 meter ceiling height, so you are going to have a little bit of a gap up the top. But don't you worry, I plan on filling that with more stuff as well. Question I've been asked is whether or not these units are screwed to the wall at the back. So you can actually have them screwed to the wall just up the back here. You can have a little bracket put on the top, but because there's so many of the wardrobes next to each other, they're really quite heavy, so we don't have to screw them to the wall. But downstairs in the girls' room, we do have it screwed to the wall because it's a smaller unit and obviously it's in the girls' space, so if they did try to climb up these shelves, there's absolutely no risk that they'll fall on top of them. Now I am 34 in a few months' time. This is my first ever proper wardrobe, so I don't actually really know what to do with it yet. I'm still learning how to live with it, but it's life-changing. It's absolutely brilliant having this space. You walk in, you know where everything is, you can get changed quickly and you can just whack your clothes back if they're not dirty, or you can just put them on the floor if they're dirty. Jokes, we have a hamper. But anyways, it's just fantastic having this space. So if you are looking to kind of DIY your wardrobe space, take a look at Multistore. They are really good value for what you get, and the assembly service is brilliant if you don't want to do it yourself. So I hope that helped, guys, in any of your decision making. If you have any questions for me, pop them below and I will get on to answering those questions. But otherwise, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and do all that, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.